Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to sign into Chase Mobile. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Chase website. So you can go ahead and sign up for an account on the Chase website if it looks easier for you. You can go to chase.com right here on your PC, and once you open it up, it's going to open up this homepage right here. From here, you can get started signing up for an account. As you can see, you can click the sign up now option right here. By clicking sign up now, it's going to take you to the next page from where we can get started with selecting how we want to sign up. So we're going to need our social security number or tax ID number and account application number and access to the phone or email you told us. So now we can get started. You can go and just choose a personal, business, or a commercial account that we want to create. We can enter in the account card application number we have right here or your social security number and then click the next button. This next button is going to take you to the next page from where you can get started providing other details of information that they need so they can go ahead and create your account. Using the same process, you can do it in the mobile application as well. You can download it from your app store on your mobile phone. Go ahead and find Chase Mobile Bank Invest. This is the application that you want to download, and once you have done so, it's going to look like this once you open it up. So once you have created your account and logged in, it's going to look like this. You're going to go and be able to access the homepage, payment section, and so on. All of that available right here in the Chase Mobile app. So you can go ahead and sign up like I just showed you. After that, you can log in normally and get started using Chase Bank for payments, credit cards, whatever you needed using the sign up process you have just seen. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.